How to fix Steam Remote Play lag. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. To fix a Steam Remote Play lag, it all takes a couple of steps. Now in order to do so, firstly open up your Steam. Select on the option of Steam and head to the settings option. From the list of your Steam setting, you need to go ahead and navigate to your remote play. Now first step is to enable your remote play. Make sure that you have toggled it on to the right hand side. Once it is enabled, now you need to enable a couple of things as well. Under the advanced streaming options, you will find enable advanced host option. Make sure that you have toggled it on. Then set the allow direct connection to automatic. Once you have done this, now scroll down until you find the option of advanced client option. You need to toggle it on as well. Now in here you will find three of the options, that is a default, enhance and enhance 4K. Now you need to try to reduce your game's resolution or adjust the settings to fix your remote play lag as well. This might degrade the play quality, that is your graphic quality. However, it might also fix the Steam remote play lag. So those were some of the few options that could easily fix your Steam remote play lag easily. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us.